Hello students, welcome you on the subject Digital Electronics. We are going to start with Unit 1. The basics of the digital electronic will start from number system. So we are going to discuss about decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal number systems. First is the decimal number system. So the base is on base 10. You have to write it in order of MSB bit on your left hand side, and your right hand side will be your LSB. How to convert a decimal to binary. It is a tutorial session where you will have certain few problems to be discussed on each conversions. So we'll take a problem. How to convert a decimal number of 600. Now we need to convert it to the numbering system as binary. So to do this technique, we are going to divide this number 600 by the binary base 2. So 600 divided by 2, you will get 300. There is no remainder. Therefore, the remainder has been given as 0. Again, divide by 2. 300 divided by 2 is 150. 0. Similarly, follow this. 2 divided by 150 is 75. 0. 2 divided by 75, it is 37. And 1 is the remainder. Similarly, 2 divided by 37 is 18. You will get it. 1 remainder. 2 will go in 18 as 9 times. Remainder is 0. 2 will go for 9 as 4 times. Remainder is 1. Similarly, 2, 0. 2, 1 time, 0. Remainder. Now, while writing down, you have to be very careful. You have to start from the base, go to the top. So, this base is the MSB bit and the top one is the LSB bit. So, you have to have MSB on your left hand side. So, start from here. 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0. So this is what is the answer. You can see the reflection of it. 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0. So this is how we convert a number of decimal into a binary system. Okay. Now we are moving on to the second worked example. It is 24.625. Instead of having a whole number, you are having with a decimal part. So how to do this conversion? Converting a binary into a decimal. So this number 24, the whole number has been taken, and you're going to repeat the same technique what we have done for last time. So 24 divided by 2 is 12, 0 remainder. Again 12 divided by 2, 6, 0, 3, 0. 3 when you divide by 2, it is 1, remainder is 1. Writing down 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0. Now we are going to take the decimal part. To convert this decimal part into a binary system, multiply by the binary number. So first take 0.625 multiplied by 2. You get it as 1.25. So the value is 1.25. Next take only the decimal again and multiply by 2 into 2, 0.5. Again take only the decimal part, 0.5 into 2, 1. So how many you have it? You take only the binary value here. So it is 1, 0, 1. Write down from MSB to LSB. Therefore 1, 0, 1. So this is how the conversion happens from decimal to binary. Basically this paper is the base paper for almost all your digital part. So whenever you are going to study your higher semester digital related papers, this is how a conversion, a computer will be doing it, a processor will be doing it, a controller will be doing it, and a communication system will do it. So this paper is the pre-paper for almost all your computer science students, electronics students and biomedical students. Next we move on to the reverse conversion. How to have a binary number, how do we convert it to a decimal one? So the binary number is given as, whenever you are being denoted by base, it shows what number is it. So it is 2, therefore it is binary number 110111010. How to convert this? You start from the LSB value, then slowly move to MSB value. This is how you do the conversion. So take a first LSB bit, it is 1. You are going to multiply to the power of 2 power 0. So 0 is the first power starting. So 2 power 0. Next bit is 0. Multiply into 2 power 1. So every time you are going to increase the power of your multiplication factor. So next bit is 1 into 2 power 2. 0 into 2 power 3, 1 into 2 power 4, 1 into 2 power 5, 0 into 2 power 6, 1 into 2 power 7, 1 into 2 power 8. Now you do the answer. 2 power 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. 0. So whatever you multiply by 0 is 0. 1 into 2 power 2. 2 power 2 is 4. So 4 into 1, 4. Here it is 0. Input itself is 0. Therefore output is also 0. Now it is 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. 16 into 1, 16. 2 power 5 is 32. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 2, 32. 32 into 1 is 30. 0 multiplied, 0. 2 power 7 is 128. 2 power 8 is 256 into 1, 256. Now you add all these numbers. 256 plus 128 plus 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus 1. So the value is 437. Therefore, when we convert a binary of this equivalent, you will get the decimal value as 437. This is how we can convert a binary to decimal, decimal to binary. The first conversion stage involved in the digital electronics paper.